After gathering an extensive list of keywords, we are now going to analyze search trends, spotting gaps, and uncover opportunities that could drive our SEO strategy forward. Let's do this. You probably know that search trends affect keyword popularity and relevance over time. So you absolutely need to analyze these trends. It helps you anticipate shifts in user behavior and adjust your strategy accordingly. Let's use ChatGPT to analyze the trend for eco-friendly dog products. I'll ask, what has been the trend for searches related to eco-friendly dog products over the past year? While ChatGPT simulates responses based on its training data, it can guide us on choosing topics to address in our posts, questions to answer, but also what not to choose to avoid writing for nothing. Okay? Next, we look for gaps in our current keyword list, areas where potential user queries aren't fully covered. Identifying these gaps is key to capturing unmet search demands. To find gaps related to dog grooming, I'll prompt ChatGPT. Identify potential keyword gaps in the dog grooming space that could represent unmet user needs. ChatGPT might suggest focusing on specific grooming concerns for certain breeds or emerging trends in pet care that have yet to be extensively covered.
And these insights direct us to new areas for keyword development.
Okay, with a refined list of keywords and an understanding of gaps, our next step is to prioritize. This involves weighing keyword difficulty and search volume, of course, and you'll do that with SEMrush. But you also need to consider strategic importance. And that's where ChatGPT is useful. Let's take an example. We are going to categorize sensitive skin dog shampoos by asking ChatGPT,
rank keywords related to sensitive skin dog shampoos by importance for an upcoming grooming product line.
You can see that ChatGPT can help us think through factors like audience niche, specificity, product relevance, and potential search interest. With our keywords prioritized, it's now time to think about how these insights translate into a coherent and effective site structure. A well-organized site structure is crucial for SEO as it helps search engines understand your site and improve user navigation. Let's explore how ChatGPT can aid in defining our site's structure. I'll ask ChatGPT, based on our keyword research focused on dog grooming, suggest a site structure that categorizes content effectively for SEO.
You can see that ChatGPT suggests organizing our site into main categories such as sensitive skin dog shampoo, condition-specific solutions, and ingredients focus. Under each, we can have subcategories or pages dedicated to specific keywords like natural or hypoallergenic under sensitive skin dog shampoo, or oatmeal shampoos under ingredients focus.
It's really good because this structured approach aligns with our keyword strategy and really makes it easier for search engines to crawl and index our site. All right, after all this, you know how to define long or short keywords, how to judge the value of a keyword, how to address customer queries through keywords, but also how to analyze search trends, spotting gaps in your keyword strategy, and uncover opportunities that could drive our SEO strategy forward. So you pretty much have everything to have good results. To get even more detailed prompts, you can use my downloadable resource for this section. And also, don't forget to take the quiz to see if you understood everything well. Once you're done with that, we're going to talk about how ChatGPT can help you with your content strategy. And for that, I'll see you in the next video.